Today we are here to give an orientation and introduction about Lakhudal project for class 3, 4 and 5. This project aims to enhance the students' knowledge about the traditional games of the society and their connection to their health, and also try to identify the traditional games of other countries. Orientation and introduction of the project to the students by the respective teachers.
A warm good afternoon to you all. It's me, Divisha Sapkota from grade 5 of Children Herald Academy, Nepal. I welcome all the members of CHA and members from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Lahore, Pakistan. I am Priya Lamthane from class 4 Newton from Children Herald Academy. Now I am going to say something about local games. Local games. Certain games played in locality are called local games. These games are usually played by children. In this picture, children are playing. In this picture, mother and daughter are playing Gatta game. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Asmi Bogoti from grade 5 Venus from Children Herald Academy, Nepal. Now I am going to say some procedure. Number 1. Set boundaries for the playing field and pile the 7 stones on top of one another in the center of the boundary area.
Photograph line is the equal to stand straight forward. Now we will tell you how to play Tapu game. We are going to draw a board. We are going to show. So thank you very much. This was all from our side.
The maximum time the pitcher is allowed to hold the ball is about 50 seconds. It's me, Aisha Adhikari. Today I am going to say something about Lakhudal. Lakhudal 7 stones is an outdoor game which is mostly played in villages in South Asia.
Divisha Sapkota, grade 5 Venus. Give a big hand of applause to her. Okay, many congratulations to all of you once again.
Oh, hi Akansha, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Where are you going, Akansha?
I'm going to the sport club.
What do you do there?
I play badminton there with my friends.
Do you play badminton every day?
Yes, Divisa, it helps to keep me fit both physically and mentally. Do you play any games?
Yes, Akansha.
Which game do you like most to play?
I play different kinds of games, especially football and cricket, to keep my body fit and healthy. Akansha, do you know our national game?
Yes, Divisa, our national game is volleyball.
You say only healthy men can realize God.
But a healthy mind can live in a healthy body. For keeping a healthy body, games are very important. Our local games also help us to be fit and healthy.
Very good.
लाग्यो केही प्रतिक्रिया दिनु न राम्रो लाग्यो रमाइलो लाग्यो हेर्दा पनि कार्यक्रममा सहभागी हुँदा कस्तो अनुभव भइरहेको छ
धेरै राम्रो छ एकदम इन्ट्रेस्ट लागिरहेको छ हेर्न साह्रै मजा आइरहेको
के तपाईँलाई यो खेलको बारेमा केही जानकारी थियो
थियो
First picture, students are ready to play Lakudal. In the next picture, students are measuring the field for the game. In the next picture, students are playing Istanbul, traditional game of Pakistan. In this picture also, students are playing Istanbul, traditional game of Pakistan.
I will tell you how we start our activity. In order to play the local game of Nepal, Lakudal, and Pakistani game, Stapo students and their parents were gathered. The parents ISA activities.
This slide, we are showing them that how students gathered. There are parents, you can see also. This is the mother of the parents, and they are playing this game. They liked it very much. Now they have hit the 7 stones. Now they are gathering 7 stones, and the other participant is running for ball.
My name is Samya. I will tell you about Stapo. Stapo is game popular in Indian subcontinent, the mostly considered a rural game.
The girl who is drawing the Stapo code. The Stapo code is complete now, and now the girl is ready to play the Stapo.